Hi all, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to make banana bread. Take 3 ripened bananas and mash it well with a fork. Now add 1/3 cup of melted butter. You can use oil also. Mix it well. To this, add 1 teaspoon of baking soda and a little bit salt. Give a mix. Then add half a cup of sugar. I have added brown sugar. You can add white sugar also. And 1 egg and a teaspoon of vanilla essence. Give a mix. I have added 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. It looked like this. Then add 1½ cup of all-purpose flour. Fold it gently. Don't mix so fast. Just give a gentle mix. I have added some chopped walnuts also. And transfer everything to a pan, and I have preheated the oven for 350 Fahrenheit. It will take 30 to 50 minutes. It took only 30 minutes for me. Now it is done. Cool it for some time and it is ready. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe to this channel. Bye.